Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great day. I can't believe this school year is almost over. This is the last week of school. This has been an interesting year, which you will be able to share with your kids when you get older. I want to take this time to thank you for being such a great class. This has been one of my best years, if not my best year ever. This class has been amazing. All of you are kind, caring, willing to complete your assignments, willing to help others, polite, respectful. You are just all very amazing. I am going to miss all of you very much, but know that in the future, if there's anything I can ever do, please come see me and I will do whatever I can to help. I look forward to seeing you in the fall. Please stop by and say hello. And as always, stay amazing. Have a great summer.